how can we prepare our students for the next generation of workers, for our future? What does that actually look like? So what we're talking about at VEX here is something that we have called the CTE Work Cell. What's great about this is it's going to allow students to actually interact with industrial robotics in a way that is scaffolded with one of our comprehensive curriculums, and it allows them to get some experience that they may not have otherwise gotten. We want to give them the opportunity to have hands-on, tangible moments with the robot, to be able to explore a lot of these concepts at their own pace and in the comforts of their classroom, and then set them up further for their career path in the future. One of the other amazing things to allow you to gain even more information about WorkCell is that you can get certified with the VEX free intro course. And once you do that and become certified, you gain access to our PD Plus professional development community, where you can talk to myself, as well as many other VEX educators from around the world and other VEX experts. If you have particular questions, maybe pertaining to the different curriculum that we have, or any other types of questions that you would like to ask, you can do so in that community. I'd love to engage with you in there and be able to talk to you about some of the different implementations that you're doing with your students, or any other questions that you may have.